Hi everyone, it's Tobias, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a photo talk like a real human being, like this one.
Son, I want you to make a promise today. Not to me, not to your best friends or to anyone else, but to yourself, that you will become everything that God has created.
Alright, let's jump into the video and see how to do it. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to download the photo that we want to use for this video, and to do that we are going to visit a site called Pixabay. Okay, let's search for Pixabay on Google. Pixabay is one of the many sites where you can download free images. Okay, so let's click on the first link. Okay, now we are going to search for a photo of an old man. That is the kind of photo I want to use right now. Make sure that any photo you are using or any photo you intend to use is looking straight to the camera, so that the AI can be able to detect or capture the movement of the eyes, mouth, and the entire face. Okay, so let's search for photo of an old man. Okay, let's scroll down. Yeah, I think this one is good. This one is very okay. Let's download this one. Download. Okay, I think the photo has been downloaded. Let's check on our download folders. Yeah, this is the photo here. Okay, yeah, this is the photo. So we are going to use this photo right now. Okay, so now that we have downloaded the photo, the next thing is that we are going to visit the site. Let's go to the site, the AI site. The site is called d-id.com. Click enter. Then it's going to open like this. Then you click on login. That is if you have an account with them. You click on login. If you don't have an account with them, try to create one. I already have an account with them. Okay, so now that it has opened my account, then I'm going to click create video. Okay, then it will open this way. Then you will see photos, AI presenters that are already here. Okay, a lot of photos that are already here. So if you like any of these photos, you can choose any of them and use them for your video. But if you don't like any of them and you have a particular photo that you wish to use, you can upload the video by clicking here, add. This plus sign, add. Just click on add, then go to the photo that we just downloaded. Open. Now it's uploading. Let's wait for it to upload. Okay. Yeah, it has been uploaded. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to come here and type the script. Type whatever you want this old man to be saying. Okay, you type it here. Okay, so but if you don't want to type, maybe you have an audio that you already recorded. Okay, you can just upload the audio here by clicking on this audio. Okay, you click on this audio and attach the audio that you just recorded. So once you play the audio, as the audio is playing, this old man is talking. He's saying the same thing, the exact thing the audio is saying. Talking alongside, he will be talking alongside the audio. Okay, talking like a real human being, not like a photo, like a real human being. Okay, so right now I already typed out a text that I want to use for this video. So let's go to my Microsoft Word and copy it. Copy. Then go back to the site, then paste. Okay, now that we have pasted the text here, then we are going to, of course, here you choose language. Okay, of course, I choose I'm from Nigeria. I will choose Nigerian English. It has every country's English: Tanzanian English, Kenyan English, South African English, United Kingdom English. So I'm from Nigeria, of course, I will choose Nigerian English. Then you have to come here and choose the voices that you want. Okay, click on this drop down arrow. Then you see you have just two voices here, female voice and a male voice. The female voice, the name is Ezinne, and the one of the male voice is Abu. So for the fact that we are using a picture of an old man, we are going to use a male voice, of course. So let's choose Abu. Then you click here to listen to preview the voice, to hear what the voice sounds like.
Welcome to How to Pro Max, your ultimate destination for all things.
Wow, excellent. I like it. So once you are done, once everything is okay, you just click on this generate video. Click on generate video, then click on generate and allow it to generate. So it's not generating. Okay. Oh, we forgot to put title of the video. You can name the video anything you wish. So it has been generated. So let's play it and see what it sounds like.
Welcome to How to Pro Max, your ultimate destination for all things.
Excellent. You see it? Then you click on download to download your video. Okay, it's downloading now. It's downloading now. Yeah, the video has been downloaded. So let's go to my downloads folder and look for it. Play it from there. Look at it here. This is it. Let's play it.
Welcome to How to Pro Max, your ultimate destination for all things.
Excellent. So this is how to make a photo talk. Okay, like a real human being. Okay, so this is all about the video. Thank you so much. So guys, that is how to make a photo talk. Okay, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your friends. I would really appreciate it if you do so. Okay, thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.